What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Have you ever gone ahead and planted things out and then realized that you had a whole bunch of dead space? Well, we just did, so we're fixing that right now. We have this trellis system for our peas and a trellis system for our beans. We have a lot of space in the middle that's underutilized, so we're going to fix that. I have jugs that we had plants started in for winter sowing. These are broccoli, and they're pretty much ready to rock and roll, get in the garden. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant 3 along this pea trellis, and then I'm going to plant some spinach around our beans. I have 3 broccoli that I'm planning on planting out here, and I've already marked them with holes. So I'm going to dig a little space out to get these guys planted. Actually, I'm just going to, with the winter sowing, you can actually kind of just chop out a chunk, and we'll just watch this to see whichever is the best of these 2. Whichever looks the best of these 2 after they transplant, and then we'll just snip off the one that doesn't look as good. I'm going to just, so between these 2, this one here is the smallest one. I'm actually just going to pinch off that guy right now, so then all the nutrients can focus on that larger one. When we were planting out these peas, we noticed there's a big area of unutilized space, and to utilize it, we wanted to go ahead and get some plants in this area. With peas and green beans, they actually fix nitrogen in the soil. So we figure they're helping the outside of the garden. We can get something planted in the center. Now, this space that would have had nothing in there has now been utilized, so we can get a couple heads of broccoli out of this section along with some delicious peas. This spinach is looking gorgeous. These were actually planted at the end of December in the milk jugs for the winter sowing. I'm going to actually show you a video on that shortly. But yeah, these are spectacular. All I'm doing right now is I'm looking for a few plants that are together. I'm going to use my garden trowel to help break them free. Maybe. Okay. And there's actually 3 planted together right now. I want to plant all of them because the transplant shock, if one of them happens to die, we still have 2 other ones to go through, and then whichever is the strongest is the one that we're keeping. So as I'm doing this, it makes me think, has anybody else out there gone ahead and had a chance to do any planting in this kind of dead space? And if so, let me know down in the comments what you've planted and where you planted it. And thanks for coming along, everybody. Have a great day.